In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Family Center on Discord. If you're looking to set up a simple way to support a teen's experience on Discord, this feature gives guardians an easy place to see account oversight tools in one spot. We'll walk through where to find it, how to turn it on, and how to start connecting by scanning a QR code, all in a few clear steps. First, open Discord and look to the bottom left corner of the app window. Click the small gear icon there to open your user settings. This takes you to the main settings area where all of your preferences live. Take a moment to let the page load fully so every category appears in the sidebar. If you're using a minimized window, you may need to scroll the sidebar to find what you're looking for. Next, navigate to Family Center. Inside that section, go to the settings for Family Center. Here, you'll see the option to enable the Family Center tab. Turn it on. This toggle activates a dedicated tab inside your app so you can get to Family Center quickly without digging through menus each time. If you don't see the option right away, make sure your Discord app is up to date and try again. Now, return to the main app view. Click the Discord icon at the top right. With Family Center enabled, you'll notice the Family Center tab is now available. This is your hub for the tools and information related to Family Center. Opening it should feel fast and familiar, just like any other tab in Discord. From here, you can start adding connected teens by scanning their QR code right inside this tab. The scanner is built in, so you don't need any separate tool. Simply open the scanner in Family Center and point it at the teen's QR code to connect. Keep the screen steady and ensure there's enough light so the code is easy to read. Once the scan completes, the connection request will appear right in the app. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you can't find Family Center in settings, update the app and check again. Remember that Family Center is designed to bring transparency and support without sharing private messages. You're enabling a space focused on safety tools, not reading conversations. If you ever need to review or adjust your choices, you can return to the same settings area and toggle the feature as needed. And that's it. You've enabled Family Center, opened the new tab, and learned how to begin connecting by scanning a QR code. Thanks for watching, and take care.